This is a 300-meter borehole camera cart. A portable winch. You can push it. Then there is the 7.3 centimeters camera. This camera can be viewed from the front or the side. A camera in front. A camera on the side. The camera on the side has 24 large lamp beads. It can rotate 360 degrees without limiting positive and negative rotation. The in connector is a secondary waterproof design. On this camera, we provide you with centralizers. The function of the centralizer, that is to say, put it in the well. It can act as a center. This is a centralizer. You can adjust it yourself. Just tighten the centralizer with this. You can fix the probe. This is our camera. And then there's our wellhead pulley. This is our trolley. It has a cartridge for the camera probe here, and our collision chains. Let's take a look at the anti-collision chain. This is the location with automatic cable arranger. The camera automatically reels the cable. If the cable automatically rolls incompletely, let's pull this plug out. After pulling it out, do this left and right fine-tuning. So you can adjust this cable arranger. Here is the motor for the electric winch, and then there's the motor. Here is the collision avoidance chain. This is our tray and the mainframe with a big screen. This is a 12-inch large screen mainframe. I also connected you to an external keyboard. The function of this keyboard, wellhead data registration is possible, and modify the meter circumference. We turn it on for you. Take a look first. After the first step of booting, we need to plug in this power adapter. Power adapter. First, you need to plug it into this DC 12V. We need to connect the other end to 220 volts. Then the next one we need to connect this 6-core wire. The 6-core cable is the interface of the camera probe. Its other end. We need to attach it to this slip ring next to the winch. Then the next one, we need to plug into this 4-core cable. It's a 4-core hole. The holes all correspond to each other. You can't plug it in wrong. It is shown in meters. Interface its other end. We need to connect to the bottom of the automatic cable. Below the automatic cable arranger. In this way, when the automatic cable arranger rotates, the meter display will move. Know how deep. And this one is a 2-core thread. 2 core holes. It corresponds to our motor interface. We plug in the motor under the winch. This is a 220 volts power cable. Start the power cord of the electric winch. We need to connect the other end to 220 volts. After all are connected, we click here to turn it on. This is the power switch. After clicking power, its light will come on. The display light will be on. Then the camera probe light will also come on. The mainframe enters this power on state. Slowly enter the power on state. After it is turned on, we can switch the angle here. Switch like this. Front toggle and side toggle. After switching to the side, these two are 360-degree rotations. We can do 360 degrees. Unlimited positive and negative rotation. It can rotate at will. Take a look at the camera. It can go 360 degrees. Unlimited positive and negative rotation. The lights can also be adjusted at the same time. The lights can be dimmed. It can be augmented. Okay, look at this keyboard. It's over here. These two. Please switch first. These two are the lights. Lights up. The function of reducing lighting intensity. Then these two are rotating functions. When you need to record, we can click the OK button to record. And that's the recording. But you have to click stop to stop recording. It's stop recording. Press the button up. You can take photos. You can also take photos. Enter here. After entering the menu, the video just recorded. The captured photos are all in the video. We can go in and check it out. This is the video just recorded. ESC is back to the main interface. The meter number is shown in the upper left corner. When our automatic cable arranger, when rotating, this pulley also rotates at the same time. There will be a display of meters. Let's take a look, and there will be a display of the number of meters. Then we click 0 to clear the number of meters. The function of this keyboard is to modify the circumference. Record data. Modify perimeter. How to modify? We click F1 like this. Plug in the USB port first. After plugging in, you can also modify the meter display with the keyboard. Click F1. It will come out with this data. This circumference is 320 millimeters, and then the pulses can also be modified. The pulse needs to be changed to 400 here. We can modify it. Click Fn and 0. Its 0 will appear. Then in this way, the circumference is successfully modified. This circumference. It is for the automatic router below. The circumference is displayed when rotating. There is another way to adjust the circumference. You can measure the circumference. Put this 4-core wire. We plug into this wellhead pulley. You can also come out the circumference. This can also come out with the number of meters. When turning this, the screen will also display the number of meters. But this is it. It belongs to the spare. A spare way to measure meters. This is a spare. Because of the size of its circle. It's the size of the circle here. It's not the same. To rotating perimeters, we need to use the keyboard to modify. When clicking on F1, change this 320 millimeters to 590 millimeters. Click Fn and change to 590. Do this. It's the wellhead pulley. The circumference of the wellhead pulley becomes successful. But before leaving the factory, we will all choose the circumference below the automatic router. Set it for you. This is just a backup. We will set it up for you here. So we set it up before leaving the factory. It is set for you by pressing 320. Go to the set perimeter. So this is the part of the meter display. The last part is the electric winch. The electric winch is in gear 0 when not in use. Then, whether you move forward or go backwards like this, slowly turn the governor like this. The electric winch will turn, and then you just go backwards. Slowly turn this governor. The electric winch will turn. Okay, remember to turn it off when not in use. Remember to turn it off when not in use. All in gear 0. The last item is this white button. It goes up. This shows the channel for recording. Dial it down. It's the channel that doesn't record. The meter number will be displayed. But this is the unrecorded channel. It depends on whether you need the function of recording or not. The complete set of borehole camera operation steps connection demonstration is completed. If you have any other questions, you can leave me a message on my channel or add WhatsApp. Hope we always provide you with good service and guidance.